That intercooler is heavy. Now, this is what helps a car. I just can't get over these views. One day, boys. One day. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Hope your day is going really well. Today we are having a special day because why? It's another video. Alright, I know you're following it. So why don't you sit in the damn car now? Here. Alright, get in the car now. Get in the car now. Alright, whatever.
One more crunch.
Thank you.
Alrighty, and then let me get that cappuccino.
Yeah, for sure. That one's not for you.
Look how fast he's eating that shit.
Lily, can you like stop for a second?
Oh my god.
It's like he doesn't even want to stand straight just to eat that. Okay, so welcome back. So I did end up receiving my high pressure fuel pump and also my intercooler. I don't know why I haven't got my turbo yet, but I have contacted them. Yeah, but I don't know what exactly happened. I think the turbo did run out. But yeah, so we're waiting on comp to ship out the turbo. But let me tell you guys, I'm really excited for the parts to go in. I did set up an appointment with my guys at Go for next Monday. Since my turbo's not here right now, I think I might have to delay it till end of next week. But that's the bad news. But I think by the end of the month, I will have my car running and it will be fully built for close to 500 wheel. Yeah, so let's get into it. Also, one more thing, I already opened these just to check that if I actually got the right part. I don't want it to be a different intercooler or a different fuel pump. That intercooler is heavy. It's hella heavy. Like it's, like I'm trying to pick, like it's not heavy, but like, and it's hella huge. I don't know if the camera does justice, but in real life, it's like, I don't know, as wider than me. I don't know. I'm just talking nonsense now. Y'all, this is some ASMR. You guys get the tingles? Me neither. So the only two things we get with the intercooler is just the bolts and nuts and the intercooler. There you go, that's the CVF intercooler. Now, time for the high pressure fuel pump. Alright, so what we get is some bolts and nuts. We usually get, what is this? A fuel line? Yep, it's a fuel line. There, another fuel line, high pressure fuel line. Some stickers, yep, alright. Some cash, alright. Wait, anything? Alright. Ooh, that was a good one. What's in this box? Let me just take it out. I don't know for you guys, but this is kind of satisfying for me to like open. And these are cute. Oh, never mind. But yeah, I'm not gonna open two of these fuel lines. You guys don't already know what that is. That's the fuel pump. That's where it came out with. I just left that piece right there so I could make it look cool. Now I'm gonna put it back where it came from. Yeah, and pack it back in. Yeah, so that's gonna be open next week. Should I put the sticker on my car for the fuel pump? Nah, I'm not. Honestly, I'm only gonna put the sticker whoever that sponsors me. Besides that, I am gonna mention nobody. Yeah, so that's in. That goes on top. And we are set to go. One last thing I was gonna do is that before the night ends, I was gonna go to these houses like 45 minutes away from my house. I always go to that spot. I'll show you guys. And those houses over there on the hill, they always inspire me. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it on my previous video or something. I've been to that area before. These sunsets go crazy. And look at that sun. Damn, that looks beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the hill that we're gonna go to. Yeah, but it's getting really dark. I have to come back the same way, and there's no street lights, so yeah. I know they're making houses right here, but these houses that like right there, they're huge. They're like triple story, 4-story, elevators, everything you can imagine. These houses are like millions and millions of dollars, and they pretty much like on a hill, and they literally oversee the entire Sacramento and the entire like Sacramento County and all that. Like, and I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way, like 50 miles down here, that's where my house is. Like, whenever I'm down or anything, I don't know, I just come to the spot, and it just like gives me even more motivation to like just keep doing what I'm doing, just keep motivating myself, just keep getting out of the bed, and just keep trying. And even for you guys, even if life is hitting you guys hard, if there's a lot of distractions, honestly, just keep doing whatever you guys are doing. Do what you love to do, and honestly, one day everybody gets there. It's just a matter of time. Imagine having a balcony like right there, and then just seeing all of that. That is crazy. I don't want to be rude and record people's houses, but like, god damn, son! I just can't get over these views. Holy crap. I think I came from all the way down there. I don't know if you guys can see those lights. Alright. Calm down, buddy. One day, boys. One day. We're gonna make this dream into a reality. See, things like that are like kind of personal to me, because I keep those goals to myself, and I don't really tell that to anybody. And honestly, I don't know how you guys will feel about it. I like showing like my journey in my life and all that, and see like where I end up, you know. I would definitely love to look back to times like this where like I'm a kid with a Mustang and with a dream, and I can't see anything. Alright guys, just made it back home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.